welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make vanilla cake. So the instructions are on the back. There's enough to make 2 cakes because there's 2 ingredients to instructions. So I don't know. 1 cup of water. We have this. We're probably only using half of a cup. 1/2 a cup of water, 1/2 a cup. Well, so 1 full cup of water, 1/2 of a cup of vegetable oil. But I think we'll.
Did it say vegetable oil?
Vegetable. It says 1/2 of a cup though. So like not 1/2, like right here.
It says here, okay, half of a cup. Did it say half? Right here.
So now, can I pour this in?
Sure. So are we making the whole thing or we're just doing half? Because if we're doing half, we only need to bake 1.
We're doing the whole thing.
We're doing the whole thing, so who's going to eat all of that?
Oh,
I don't want
the
to.
family.
Okay, so we'll do all of it then. The family will eat it.
We do the split. Ouch. Okay, now it's cut, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I have to check if there wasn't.
What are you doing? Checking the what? That's I'm making a mess. All right, so now it says you will need 1 cup of water.
Whole cup.
So, is it 1 cup?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And now we can just get a hefty cup, right?
So, 1 cup of water there.
When we get the batter, I get to lick the
What's the
spoon.
next thing?
3 eggs.
Not yet? No, you're not there yet.
Vegetable.
1.
So that is right here.
No, it would be here.
Hmm?
Right here.
No, look. That's 1 cup. You said 1 cup of...
No, here.
No, but remember when I said 1 cup of water, right? That's 1
Right,
cup.
so this is 1 cup, and now it says 1/3.
So we're adding more water
No.
we're adding more oil than water. That's a bad thing. Water it.
Alright.
So she
1
finally found oil after finally found 1/3 of the oil, a cup, because she didn't know.
Okay, so now, Sharon, but I forgot you have a video. Where did I didn't know? Of course I knew.
Yeah? You asked Dad.
Listen, let's cut out the bottom. Sharon, quick play. Okay, so now it says
At 3 eggs.
1/3.
After we get the
So 1/3
vegetable.
is here.
And it took me that long to know.
Here. Oh, we cut out the video.
Okay, me pour it. It's not on accident. It's going to burn brown.
This is 1/3.
Enough.
All right, now it's time.
Vegetables.
Put
Time
your
to put
eggs.
the eggs.
Yep.
Open the trash can. Now, I can't play around with this one. If I get shells in it, I'm done.
Shannon, I'm watching. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that egg had 2 yolks in it. I swear to God. I swear.
All right.
Time
Now,
to mix, and I'm gonna eat the batter off the spoon. Also, hey, we need to move the thing because we don't have a plug.
yeah, we're gonna move it over there.
No, I can't.
So,
A human can still eat this, even though I have. We are good. So we have our tons of fruits and avocados. I'm just chomping it.
Hannah, why did you do that?
I'm bad. Ew.
Look at what she did.
Just touching it. And that fruit is rotten. You know, a fruit shouldn't break like that. Your fingers aren't that strong. If it broke, my finger would probably be broken. It wouldn't be broken. My finger would be broken. That thing is rotten. Okay, time to get the batter. And you have to put it on low. So that's what it's for. Nope, that's not what it's for. So that's what it's for. Now put it down. Wait, put it on low. I'm surprised. You want to know what? Because somebody doesn't know what 1/3 of a cup. The thing turned yellow, and it's too low. It's too watery. See it? It has to go down more because there's more powder at the bottom. It won't work. Can I lick the batter thing?
Yeah, baby.
Good. There's boogers in it. There's boogers in it. I told you there was more stuff at the bottom.
So guys, this is my first time baking. I've never baked before.
But
so I know absolutely nothing about baking. Shana, no.
Yeah.
I'm using a spoon.
This is how you do it. It's just, you might need some help. Can I help? You need help? I can help. Whoa. Once you take it out, it can't go back.
Shana, can you get me a plate?
Go and jump back.
Okay.
Is it working?
So once you press your thing, it comes out.
This? So now keep your hand calm. Just don't smell. And you won't be in trouble. Oh, so it's not interesting. Garfield. This spinning. This is not spinning. That's not spinning. This is not spinning. That means that's not spinning. That's not spinning.
How does it look now?
Good. So good. I want to.
Alright guys, so this should be smooth now. Look at you. Don't put it back on the meat there.
Wow.
Because you already put it in your mouth.
I can wash it.
Yeah, but you can't put it in your mouth and then put it back in the cake. What if you want to give someone unless you're going to eat the cake by yourself? Or you're going to eat it by yourself? Okay, so you can't dip it in your mouth and then put it inside there.
I made it.
Alright, here you go. Here, take it around your mouth. But that's Alright, let's see what they said about the oven. What?
We forgot something.
I forgot what.
To spray it. Too bad.
So you're going to spray the other one?
It's a, wait, nobody's calling.
Nobody's calling me. Hold on, we're going half and half. That's one. You
I'll
wanna
lick
spray?
the bowl.
You want to spray the other one? No? Okay.
Hope I don't waste this. I can eat almost half.
So now you get the spoon that you washed. So now it says heat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So now it's preheating.
Are you waiting?
And that should know.
Oh, done. Oh. What do we do with this?
The icing. You want to put icing on it?
Yeah, but can we put the sprinkles in there already?
I don't think so. That's something that you do after.
It's so clean, and the cake is made. The cake batter's clean. And see, that's the only important part.
So the oven is on preheat.
On fire. Jerry, call Nick.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Thomas Trim. I burned myself.
Did you?
No. Okay. I need oven mitten. No idea, man. Too hot. I didn't get burned. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I shall follow child.
I think we should go for the top shelf. What do you think?
No idea. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I have no idea, man. If I had an idea, I would. I don't have any idea. I look better. See, my book. We're done. This will fit on my head.
No, we're not going to the gym.
Why?
No gym today.
G-Y-M. What does that spell? G-I-Y.
Go get your words in the meantime. You can do words. Please what?
No.
Go get your 10 words. Unless you want some new ones. You want new ones?
Yeah.
Go get those 10 and the 5 that you did not know.
No, I only got 2 wrong. I got 2 out of 5 wrong.
So guys, these are 200 words for Chanel on flashcards. So every week we move on to 10 new words. Yes, baby?
I made a hand sanitizer. Yesterday I made hand sanitizer. I made
This is
hand
what?
sanitizer.
10 that you're on now? So 30, so 31.
I like Touchland. And I also have Sprayland.
37,
And 155. Wait! So
38, 39.
I thought you meant like
40.
102,
It
not
was
200.
200. And this is number 16 and 17 from last week words.
I'm not doing all of this.
So where's avocado?
I got avocado. A-V-O-D-O.
A-V-O.
I mean, okay. A-V-O-C-A-V-O. A-V-A.
Nope.
O-V-O.
So now we're back with avocado.
Why?
Because you did not spell it right.
I made you a hand sanitizer.
What about
A lot.
mm-hmm.
That's how you say it. You said yes. Okay, I want. W.
Arrow.
I almost sniffed it. Smell my hand sanitizer. I made this myself. Smells good, right? Let's try.
Okay, here.
It even has glitter sparkles.
So now you have 13 words.
13?
Yep. Here you go.
Fine. Kishi. What did that say? Kinash.
Look at you wasting time. Okay.
No!
So now
Well, not. A-U-T.
stop.
Broccoli. Oli. B-R-O-O-L-L-O-L. B. Brush. B-R-U-S. B-R-U-S-H.
Come back over here.
Bucket. B-U-C-K. Bless you.
This is what?
B-E.
What is B?
Bumblebee.
Here.
Butterfly. T-E-R. Well, L. Oh my gosh. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R.
What's the word?
Butter. Brown. B-R-O. Bullet. O-L-E-T.
So you know what the trick is now?
Mix them up.
No. You get time
2 days.
to study them, and then I'm going to take them away, and then you have to spell them. So you're on these 2 weeks now, these ones. The blue?
So I'm only on these.
No.
What?
So within half an hour or 45 minutes,
What?
you shouldn't be making any mistake with these old words. And then you have until Friday to know all of these ones. You know what the rule is?
Yeah.
Here you go. Stop spraying this hand sanitizer. You're triggering off my sinus.
It smells good.
What did you use to make that?
Hand sanitizer, water, a purple marker. It was broken. And some glitter.
And then next week we'll move on
We'll
to another
move
10.
to these.
No, start with 4.
No,
Yep.
I don't want it. How did you have the courage to write a whole entire 300 words?
Not 300.
200.
Okay, so Chanel, I think we should move these to the second shelf. I think we should move
Let me
these.
move them.
We don't want to move the bottom row to the top one. Let's see.
I was gonna. 350. Feels so warm. Feel it.
Okay, now it's time to do your words.
No, it's not. You said that.
I said so.
Sure about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because it's time to do your words.
How about this? 5, 30 minutes.
Chanel, we're not negotiating today.
30 minutes.
Nope. Go do your words.
Of words.
Nope.
How long then?
No more screen time.
30 minutes of words.
Chanel, I am not negotiating with you today. The plan was we're going to bake and then we're going to do words today.
I never said that.
You had all the screen time over the weekend.
Nope.
Yes, you did.
Well.
Am I telling a lie?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Are you calling me a liar?
No.
Okay.
I'm a cowboy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Potion. Fart spray. I have fart spray. Nobody come close.
Chanel,
Yeah.
it's time to do the words.
Pew pew. My fart spray. Keep it down right there.
So these are the things that Chanel does when she does not want to do her words. Thank you.
Fart spray.
Thank you.
My toy. Well, I mean it.
Wow.
Yes! Hello. That's the lid to my fart spray. Don't smell it though. It smells really
Broke
bad.
the thing.
It was broken already.
No, it was not. You broke
I'm
it.
too strong. I'm
No, shut up. Don't do it.
Okay, guys. So it's time to take it out because it's burning.
Oh, be careful.
Oh.
Alright, and it says to leave it out. Oh.
Wow. Can I have that? Thank you.
No, put it over there, baby.
Let's try some before we put it down.
It says to cool for 30 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
10 minutes. Let's see if I cut them to check if it's not working. That was crazy.
I just did.
Rock, rock, cookie, rock,
For the lights.
rock, rock. Just,
So let me.
guys, I cut a teensy bit before time. So guys, now the cake's are ready. We have this one, and we have some frosting and sprinkles. I'm just gonna.
See, so you're gonna wipe this on it.
Hey, can I sprinkle one cake then? No, that's your.
As much as I want to, I can't take
You
the
can
problem.
have a
You
cup.
can't take the one?
I can't take the problem, so let's go into
You wanna go?
We're gonna have a unique cake.
Lucas, you wanna try our cake?
Making this one special. I'm not gonna put too much ice in because Lucas doesn't.
So, tomorrow I'll be on the road most of the day. So if you wanna go to the gym today, you should go today and skip tomorrow.
The thing is, I would and I do want to go, but Dad told me to ask you.
You going or not?
This is
Okay.
mine.
So that's yours?
Just like,
So Lucas, come and try my cake.
Mine's too.
right. Soft so far. I don't have a plate or anything.
Let me get you one. Here.
That's flat.
They're the same thing, man.
It's good?
Really nice. It's very soft. Watch out.
We're gonna cut piece for that.
Yeah.
We're gonna get
Three.
that piece.
No, he's over. 3, 2.
I just watched them sleeping.
Done.
I can hear snoring.
So it's still good. Okay. It's real good. It's good. It's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. See you on the next video. Bye.